Hey guys, it's Mr. Mathers. I just want to make a quick video about how to use the scatter plot graph because I noticed a lot of people are having issues with the scatter plot graph on their submissions. Okay, so here is a scatter plot graph. Here is the data set. Here's the graph. So we're going to label our horizontal or x-axis, of course, and that is going to be time in minutes, and then we put our unit minutes, and the y-axis, the vertical axis, is going to be score. This is going to be a dependent variable. Time was independent, so score. Okay, so now the title will say score. We'll say studying time versus score received. Don't quite have enough letters, so maybe we'll say score earned. Studying time versus score earned. There we go. Okay, now our scale. We need to, our highest value is 99. So we only need to go up to 100. So that's perfect. See, if we made our scale 50, that would be too small. 100 would be, or 200 would be a little bit too big. 100 fits the best. And then our x-axis only has to go up to 40. So right now we have it going to 100. We can shrink that. Shrink it to 50, and that works out best. Okay? Now, to plot, we grab this. We're actually going to turn show values on, make it easier. We grab this ball, and we need to go to 40 minutes and 98 score. So minutes, we'll start with 40 right here. This line is 40 minutes. We'll go up to a 98 score. So it says 40, comma 98. There's 4099, 4098. There we go. Okay, now Griselda is 58 in 5 minutes. So bad score and a low time studying. That's interesting. Right, there we go. I go with Maria is 89 and 15. So 15 minutes would be here. 89 would be right by the 90, right below it. There we go. Carlos, 30 minutes and received an 87. So 30 minutes, received an 87. Right there we go. Patrick, 5 minutes, received a 47. So we may want to study more than 5 minutes next time, Patrick. It's a little bit low. Okay, Muriel, 15 minutes and received a 68. There we go. Harold, 20 minutes, received a 78. So 20 minutes, gonna go up to 78. There we go. And Alicia, 35 minutes, scored a 99. So 40 minutes, scored a 98. 35 minutes, scored a 99. So I'd recommend spending studying at least 35 minutes according to this graph. So 35 minutes, 99 score. Okay. So there is your scatter plot. Now, the cool thing about scatter plot is you can see the relationship between time and score between your independent and dependent variable, your x horizontal axis and your y vertical axis. So by looking at these, you can see there is a relationship to the amount of time spent studying and the score received. Generally, it's going in a positive or an increased slope, positive slope. So when the time's getting low, time studied, the score is also low. Then as we go out and find more time studying, more minutes studied, the score generally increases. Okay? Whereas you can see, studying the most time doesn't guarantee you the highest grade, but it gives you a good chance of getting the highest grade. It doesn't guarantee you higher than the lowest grade, but makes it a lot more probable that you're going to not receive one of these really bad grades by putting in a little more time. So that's how we would read this graph, and that's how we would interpret it. If you need any help still, let me know. Remember, Tuesday, we have our graphing quiz. Have a great one.